Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Let's go to the supermarket.
Okay, that's a good idea.
I need to buy many things.
I can help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is your car?
My car is there.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
The supermarket is big.
Yes, it is very big.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I have the list here.
That is good.
I always use a list.
We need a shopping cart.
Where are the carts?
The carts are at the entrance.
I see them. Get one cart, please.
Okay, I have a cart.
Great. Let's start.
First, I need fruits.
The fruit section is here.
These apples look nice.
Do you want red apples or green apples?
I want red apples.
How many apples do you need?
I need 6 apples.
Put them in a bag.
Okay, I will.
What else do you need?
I need bananas.
The bananas are there.
This bunch of bananas is good.
Yes, it is.
Now I need vegetables.
The vegetables are next to the fruits.
I see the vegetables. I need carrots.
Here are the carrots.
I need tomatoes too.
The tomatoes are fresh.
I like fresh tomatoes.
Me too.
Next, I need milk.
The milk is in the dairy section.
Where is the dairy section?
It is at the back of the store.
Let's go there.
Okay.
I need 1 bottle of milk.
Do you want low-fat milk?
Yes, I want low-fat milk.
Here it is.
Thank you.
Do you need eggs?
Oh yes, I need eggs.
How many eggs?
I need 12 eggs.
Be careful with the eggs.
I will be careful.
Do you need cheese?
Yes, I need cheese for sandwiches.
This cheese is very good.
Now I need chicken.
The meat section is over there.
I see it.
What kind of chicken?
I need chicken breasts.
Here is the chicken.
This looks good.
Do you need beef?
No, I don't need beef today.
Okay.
I can smell the bread.
The bakery is nearby.
I love bakery smell.
Me too. It smells delicious.
I need a loaf of bread.
White bread or brown bread?
I want brown bread.
Here is the brown bread.
It is still warm.
It is very fresh.
I need rice.
The rice is in aisle 5.
Where is aisle 5?
It is on the left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need a small bag of rice.
This bag is 2 kilograms.
That is good.
What else is on your list?
I need cooking oil.
Cooking oil is in the same aisle.
Perfect.
Here is the oil.
Great.
Do you need sugar?
Yes, I need sugar.
White sugar or brown sugar?
White sugar, please.
Here you are.
I need water.
The water is in the drink section.
Where is that?
It is next to aisle 7.
Let's go.
Do you want still water or sparkling water?
I want still water.
How many bottles?
I want 6 bottles.
That is a lot.
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
That is healthy.
I think I forget something.
What is it?
I need toothpaste.
Toothpaste is in the health section.
Where is the health section?
It is near the entrance.
Oh, we passed it.
We can go back.
Okay,
Here is the health section.
I see the toothpaste.
Which brand do you want?
I want this one.
Okay,
I think that is all.
check your list.
Yes, I have everything.
Good. Let's go to the checkout.
Where is the checkout?
It is at the front of the store.
I see the lines.
This line is short.
Let's join this line.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Do you have a membership card?
No, I don't.
Okay. Please put your items on the belt.
Okay.
I will help you.
Thank you.
That is 6 apples. That is 1 bunch of bananas. That is 1 bottle of milk. That is 1 loaf of bread. That is all. Your total is $45.
Okay. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Here is my card.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
Please enter your PIN.
All right.
Thank you. Your payment is accepted. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
We need to pack the bags.
Yes.
Put the heavy items at the bottom.
Good idea.
The eggs go on top.
I will be careful.
We have 2 bags.
That is not too bad.
Are you done?
Yes, I am done.
Let's go to the car.
Okay.
Where did you park the car?
I parked over there.
I see it.
Let me open the trunk.
I will put the bags in the trunk.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Shopping is easier with a friend.
I agree.
Do you want to come to my house?
Sure. What for?
We can have lunch together.
That sounds great.
Perfect. Let's go.
The traffic is light today.
Yes, we're lucky.
How long does it take to get to your house?
About 15 minutes.
That's not far.
No, it's very close.
I like your neighborhood.
Thank you. It's quiet here.
Where can I park?
You can park in front of my house.
Okay, here?
Perfect. This is good.
Let me take 1 bag.
I'll take the other one.
Be careful with the eggs.
I will. I have them.
Is this your door?
Yes, let me find my keys.
No problem. Take your time.
Here they are.
Your home is very nice.
Thank you. Please come in.
Should I take off my shoes?
Yes, please. There are slippers for you.
Thank you.
Let's put the groceries in the kitchen.
Okay, where is the kitchen?
It's straight ahead.
This is a lovely kitchen.
I'm glad you like it. We can put the bags on the table.
First, we should put the cold things in the refrigerator.
Good idea. The milk and eggs need to go in.
I'll put the milk away.
And I will handle the eggs.
Where should I put the vegetables?
You can put them in the vegetable drawer.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
The chicken goes in the fridge too.
Yes, on the bottom shelf.
So, what will we cook for dinner?
Let's make a simple meal. How about chicken with rice and vegetables?
That sounds delicious and healthy.
We can stir fry the chicken and vegetables.
Great. I can help you chop the vegetables.
Thank you. That would be a big help.
What vegetables should we use?
Let's use the carrots and tomatoes we bought.
Do you have an onion?
Yes, I have some onions here.
Perfect. We need some oil and spices too.
The oil is here. Salt and pepper are on that shelf.
Do you like garlic?
Yes, I love garlic. It's in the basket.
First, we need to wash our hands.
Of course. The sink is here.
Now, I will wash the vegetables.
I'll get the cutting board and knives.
Should I peel the carrots?
Yes, please peel them first.
Okay. The peeler is in this drawer?
Yes, that's right.
The carrots are clean and peeled.
Now, can you cut them into small pieces?
Sure. Like this?
Yes, that's a good size.
What about the tomatoes?
Just cut them into quarters.
And the onion?
Chop the onion finely. It might make you cry.
It's okay. I'm ready.
Now, I will prepare the chicken.
Do you need to wash it?
No, it's better not to wash raw chicken. We can just pat it dry.
Oh, I didn't know that. Why?
Washing can spread bacteria in the kitchen.
I see. That's good to know.
I will cut the chicken into cubes.
Can I season the chicken?
Yes, please. Add some salt, pepper, and a little oil.
How much salt?
About 1 teaspoon.
Okay, done.
We should start the rice first. It takes the longest.
How do you cook your rice?
I use a rice cooker. It's very easy.
What is the ratio of water to rice?
For this rice, it's 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice.
Let me measure the rice.
The measuring cup is inside the rice container.
I'll put 2 cups of rice in the pot.
Now, rinse the rice with water until the water is clear.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now add fresh water up to the 2 line.
Okay. And now just press cook?
Yes, that's it. The rice cooker will do the rest.
Now, can we start cooking the chicken?
Yes, let's heat the pan first.
How much oil should I add?
About 2 tablespoons.
The oil is hot now.
Good. Now add the chicken carefully.
I'll put it in.
Let it cook for a few minutes until it's white.
It smells good already.
Now we can add the garlic and onion.
Here they are.
Stir everything together.
The onion looks transparent now.
That means it's cooked. Now add the carrots.
Carrots are in.
We need to cook the carrots for about 5 minutes.
They are getting softer.
Good. Now add the tomatoes.
Tomatoes are in.
Add a little salt and pepper for the vegetables.
How much?
Just a pinch of each.
Okay, done.
Now we can cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes.
While the food is cooking, let's set the table.
That's a good idea. Where are the plates?
They are in this cupboard.
How many plates do we need?
We need 2 plates, 2 bowls for rice, and 2 sets of chopsticks.
Forks and spoons?
Yes, please get 2 spoons as well.
Where are the drinking glasses?
They are in the next cupboard.
Should I get some water?
Yes, please. There is cold water in the fridge.
The table looks nice.
Thank you for your help.
I think the food is ready. It smells amazing.
Let me check. Yes, the chicken is cooked through.
The rice cooker is beeping. The rice is done too.
Perfect timing.
Should I serve the rice?
Yes, please put rice in each bowl.
How much rice do you want?
Just half a bowl for me, thank you.
Okay, and now the chicken and vegetables on top?
Yes, that's perfect.
Let's eat at the table.
Be careful, the plates are hot.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
Please, try it.
It's very tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
The chicken is tender and the vegetables are perfect.
You did a great job helping.
Cooking together is fun.
Yes, it is.
More vegetables?
Yes, please, a little more.
Here you are.
Thank you.
That was a wonderful meal.
Thank you for inviting me.
Let me clean the table.
I will help you wash the dishes.
You don't have to.
I want to. It's only fair.
Okay, thank you. You wash and I'll dry.
It's a deal.
We finished everything quickly.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's true. Thank you for today.
Thank you too. I had a great time shopping and cooking with you.
We should do this again next week.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
Now, would you like some tea?
Yes, I would love some tea.
Great. Let's have tea in the living room.
Okay, after you.
Please, make yourself at home.